Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. So before I start this video, I just wanted to take the time out to say I hope that you and your family is doing well physically and mentally. So now let's move on to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how I make my seared chicken tenderloins, also known as pan-fried chicken. You can also use this dish using chicken breasts. This meal is a very budget-friendly meal, under $10. So let's see what ingredients I'm going to use for this simple recipe. I have some minced garlic. I have some dry parsley flakes. I have some paprika, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some organic ground turmeric. I also have some green seasoning, some seasoned salt, and I also have 1 pack of chicken tenderloins. Some white distilled vinegar. I have some chopped bell peppers. You could use any bell peppers of your choice. I have a chopped onion. And you can also use any onion of your choice. Now I'm going to prep my chicken by placing it into a large bowl. Next, I'm covering it with some white distilled vinegar. And I'm going to let it soak for about a minute and also defrost at the same time. Now I'm removing the tendons from the tenderloin. And I'm doing this step whilst the chicken is still soaking in the vinegar. Once I'm done, I'm going to rinse off the vinegar off of the tenderloin under some cool running water. So let's move on to the dry seasoning. I'm covering the tenderloins with some garlic and onion powder. I'm lightly sprinkling some paprika. I'm lightly sprinkling my organic turmeric powder. I'm going light with the seasoning salt, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the green seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic. So now let's move on to the vegetables. I'm using half of the chopped bell pepper and onion. I'm mixing all my ingredients together, making sure that the seasoning is spread throughout the tenderloins. This is optional, but I'm adding a little extra garlic powder, and I'm also covering the tenderloins with the dry parsley flakes. And I'm going to mix in those 2 ingredients and make sure to spread them throughout the tenderloins. So guys, I'm going to marinate it for about 10 to 15 minutes, but you can also marinate it overnight by refrigerating it until the next day. So let's cook, guys. I'm preheating some olive oil in a large frying pan on medium heat. You can also use vegetable oil or any oil of your choice. I'm checking to see if the oil is ready by placing a piece of bell pepper in the pan. My oil is hot, so I'm going to add my pieces of tenderloin to the pan. And I'm also adding the marinated bell pepper and onion from the bowl. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever used chicken tenderloin and in what dish. So I'm going to let this cook until they are brown, and then I'm going to flip them. The juices from the chicken is slowly drying out. Whoa, look at that beautiful brown color, y'all. This is what I'm looking for. So I'm flipping each piece so that the other side can cook. And I'm also going to reduce my heat because I want it brown but not burnt. Once I have flipped all of them, I'm going to add the remaining chopped vegetables. Then I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook until the vegetables are translucent and soft. Let me know in the comments what is your go-to bell pepper, the red, the green, or the yellow. And I'm going to cook it covered. Both sides of my chicken are brown and the vegetables are soft and translucent. So now I'm going to glaze it with some of this honey. So I'm just going to drizzle a very small amount on both sides of the tenderloins. I'm using a very small amount of honey because I don't want the honey to mask the other flavors of the tenderloin. So I'm going to cook it on low for about a minute so that it can infuse that sweetness from the honey. Y'all, look at that color. After I put that honey, it like enhanced the color. It looks like it is fresh off the grill, y'all. So this is my seared chicken tenderloin, also known as pan-fried chicken. I served it with some rice and beans. I used garbanzo beans and a side of string beans. Y'all already know that I had my taste test already. It tastes amazing and the inside is so tender. So here is a close-up of my plate. So these chicken tenderloins can be served with any side dish, macaroni and cheese, whatever you want, potatoes. So guys, this meal was less than $10. Let me know in the comments below, how much do you think this meal cost? So guys, I'm going to go ahead and eat, but I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.